What if the content that you are creating is missing something crucial? What if by tweaking what you purpose your content for, just a little bit, can drastically increase your influence? Had you guessed strategy, you would be correct. We are talking strategy. To be more specific, social media content strategy and how it affects your business. Strategy is one of the most overlooked elements of creating content for your affiliate marketing business. We'll be looking at 4 aspects of a social media marketing strategy every affiliate marketer should employ. This simple strategy will build awareness around your brand and the products and the services that you promote. And if you are not employing these, you are not maximizing your business potential. This will increase your follower count, evoke engagement, and increase your sales. The purpose of the content that you create should always be lead generation first, and only then sales. And the first 3 points we will be discussing are all aimed at lead generation. We will also touch on a 5th, which I'm sure you've heard of by now. Be consistent. Post at least 3 times a day. Are you consistent? What does being consistent even mean? Build awareness around your brand, your products, and the services that you promote. Who are you? What do you do? Speak about what you do, the products and the services you promote, and how it has helped people. This builds awareness, and if you do so confidently, it builds authority, and that creates credibility. This is the first step in your social media content strategy. Do this consistently, and you will be well on your way toward exploding your business. Here, you do not include a call to action. The purpose is to build awareness, not to sell. Attract new followers. Selling is and always has been a numbers game. And the more people you can sell to, the more you will sell. Make sense? Create content that provides value to your viewers. No one wants to be on the receiving end of a sales pitch every time they watch your content. Ever had a call from that pesky insurance agent who just won't quit? Exactly. Again, no call to action here. Consistently providing viewers with valuable information attracts new followers, and that is the second step in your marketing strategy. Evoke engagement. Okay, so what's next? Leave your viewers with that what's next feeling. Remember that novel you couldn't put down? You just had to find out what happens next? Provide the viewers of your content with the vehicle to get them where they want to go, but leave the tank empty. They need to finish watching your content with a burning question. Here, you do have a call to action. Tell them to leave any questions they might have in the comments, which they will do. You made sure of that. This is step 3. It evokes engagement and allows you to nurture viewers from being an inquisitive would-be prospect into a customer with commercial intent. Be consistent in this and you won't be able to keep up with the comments. Everything we've covered thus far have prepared the ideal environment. You have primed your viewers for this next step. Now we are selling. People buy products or sign up for services to solve a problem, address a need, or to fulfill a desire. Tell them how your products or your services does that, and include social proof if you can. It will give your content that extra edge, and it also creates credibility. Here, you most definitely do leave a call to action by directing viewers to your landing page for your product or your service. And remember to be consistent. If you were paying attention, you would have heard me referring to one very specific point. Let's rewind. We will also touch on a 5th, which I'm sure you've heard of by now. Be consistent. Post at least 3 times a day. Are you consistent? What does being consistent even mean? Consistency also means being consistent with your brand message. If your followers expect content from you every Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, and you deliver, that is being consistent. Posting 3 times a day, every day, sure, that is consistency. How long can you keep that up before burning out? Learn how to batch create content and become a posting 3 times a day superhero by watching this video next.